Hey guys, sometimes Temu's free shipping just won't apply, even when it should. If that's happening to you in 2025, here's a step-by-step fix to help you unlock free shipping successfully. Step 1 is checking the minimum order requirement. So even though Temu offers free shipping on most items, sometimes special promotions may now require a minimum spend. So if your cart is just under the limit, the free shipping won't trigger. So simply add a low-cost item to see if it fixes the issue. If it doesn't, move to step 2. Confirm product eligibility. So some items, especially from international sellers, aren't included in the free shipping offers. Go back to your cart and check if one or more products show a separate shipping fee. Removing those items can instantly restore your free shipping. Step 3 is updating the app. So the free shipping glitches are sometimes linked to outdated versions of the Temu app. Head over to your app store and install the latest update. Many users report that free shipping reappears after a quick refresh or app reinstall. Step 4 is checking for location restrictions. So certain locations like remote or international shipping zones may have lost free shipping eligibility in 2025. So try switching the delivery address temporarily to see if the free shipping option returns for other regions. Step 5 is contacting Temu support. So if you've tried everything and free shipping still won't apply, contact Temu's customer service through the in-app chat. They can manually verify your orders and sometimes issue a free shipping adjustment or coupon directly. Final verdict: when Temu free shipping isn't working, it's usually fixable. Whether it's your cart value, product eligibility, app version, or shipping location, follow these quick fixes and you will almost always get it sorted without cancelling your order. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.